Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a Loom video. I love Loom, by the way, into your Squarespace website. There will be a link down below when I do a full Loom review. I am like one of their pro users. I just had conversations with them recently. I apparently use them way too much, but I will have a full review of Loom if you've never used it before down below once that's live. But for now, let me show you how you could add it to your website, because on Squarespace, it only really shows YouTube and Vimeo, but Loom works perfectly. All right, so here we are on my demo website. So I'll go into edit, and let's say instead of this graphic here, I want to add a Loom video. Well, what I'll do is I'll just get rid of this, and then I'll hit add block. And if I type in video, you're gonna see the video option. It could work with that, but what I found that works consistently is always gonna be the embed. So you'll grab that, drag it over to where you want it, have it fill the screen how you like. Let's just say right about there. And then we're gonna click on the pencil. Now this side of it is ready to go. So then I'll go to my video in Loom. All you'll need to do is copy the link. You'll see here, this is my intro to my community. Definitely check it out if you're interested. What you'll do is you could do like a code snippet and like in here, pull the embed code, but I would just do the link. And then once you hit paste, boom, you are literally good to go. It'll upload it and you'll see here, it looks literally fabulous. Like it comes out really, really well done. If you want to upload a custom image, you can do that. Now this works cool, but the quality is a little but I'm still gonna show you how to do it anyway. So if you wanna download this GIF and actually upload it yourself, you could do that. So if you go to Loom and then you go to share and then you click on embed, you'll see that it gives you this copy GIF thumbnail. But you don't want to copy the code. You could do that if it's a different platform. But here, if you just drag this onto your computer and then you go back to your website and you hit custom feature here, custom feature image, drag the GIF in. Now, look, you'll see it'll be pixelated once it loads, but it does come up and load in a really cool way. Now, again, there's like 2 play buttons, all that. But I just want to show you because it is useful at times, especially if the intro is a little weird. Like my intro kind of works, like it's 80% there. But if your intro is a little weird, you can like adjust that with a GIF or even just create your own GIF and upload that here. So it's an intro to the video. And then from there, I'll just center this against the text. Maybe move this up. Cool. We're good to go. And we're set. And boom, just like that, we've added the video. So when people hit play, it can work right away and then they can start watching it. What's cool about Loom with this is that it gives them the option and the opportunity to like really engage with the video, which is tight. I just love that. I absolutely love that. And what I like about this as well is like, if I get rid of the GIF, let's actually do that just for a moment. Let me just get rid of that. What I love about Loom is that it does show the amount of views for the video. And so people can really get a bit of social proof and be like, wow, 10 people watched it, or 100 people watched it, or 1,000 people watched it, or 25,000 people watched it. That really builds up the social proof for the video. So definitely love how this is set up and branded for my site. Friends, I have an important update to share with you. If you just watched this video, you got value from this video, you already know what to do, like, subscribe, all that stuff. I love recommending that because it tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy stuff. But what it tells me is that you got value from the content so that I could create more for you. But on top of that, there's this important update that we're doing, that we're launching, that is the most positive, engaging, and coolest place to be if you are an aspiring Squarespace designer. So if you are an aspiring, like I just said, Squarespace designer, this is for you. We have built a community. It is a paid community, but we've built a community that has these pricing tiers that you can get in on, where you can become a better designer in the next 3, 6, 12 months and have support. You could learn you could watch all these videos on your own. You could like read every article on the internet. But what I've learned is the best tips and tricks that I've learned as a designer have happened in community. Also, if you do the community or the coaching component that we offer, you're gonna get direct access to someone like myself where I can help speak into issues or challenges you're facing. Having difficulty with a client, we could speak into that. Not sure if the site you just built is what you want to send to the client and you want feedback from people in the community, great place to be a part of it. All right. So there's a ton of value. Honestly, the list is like endless. There's so much value. If you are a designer, you will step up in process, in your flow, you will raise your prices. All of that will happen when you join this community because every designer I've worked with has raised their prices, has raised their standard, and has become a better designer. So definitely check out that link below. Again, like and subscribe this video if you got value from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.